god. More fries. There's so much more. Oh, that's kimchi noodle. You're missing. Really hot soup. Oh my god. Ramen! No. Oh. Okay. Alright. Have you guys ever had an out-of-body experience? Because I've had some before. Just wipe my face. No, not sure. No, you're disgusting. Can you put my hair back? No, in front of my face. No, the hair in my face. Move it back. It's really hard when you have weaves and extensions. So now I just got... I'm sorry, we're 12 today. Or
I'm 12 today.
now we're gonna grab the chopsticks and grab the steaming hot cup ramen, and I'm just gonna bring it to my face. Hold on. It's hot, hold on. Okay. No, lower. Oh no, doggies. Okay. I gotta drink the soup. Gotta let my big booty back there have one. She's always hungry. It's the downside of having such a big butt. My chopstick skills. Ooh, that's a good one. I don't know if you can grab it. Just stick it. Today's story is going to be talking about out-of-body experiences because there was this one person just so mad. God, I'm just so mad at the world. No cheese bowl? Get out of here. Yum. I'm gonna get a pimple on my chin. Wow, so dry. It would be nice with some water. No! Water? No? Okay. Not bottled water, babe. Some e-girl shit. I'm on them e-girl vibes. Okay, now we're just gonna grab some baby wipes for my face, my entire face. Just wipe it like it's a baby's bottom. And then grab some more noodles, I guess. I'm just grabbing some chopsticks. No, a fork. Probably wouldn't wave a fork around if I were you. Here you go. You guys can have a steaming hot bite. There you go. Take a bite. I'm a good mukbanger. I offer you guys a bite. Just keep offering you guys more bites. Just get a close-up of that noodle. Steaming hot nudes.
Steaming hot nudes!
Steaming hot nudes. Okay, I like to play games with myself. You know... Ta-da! Bitch. Ow, ow, ow. Yum. Okay. It's really hot. There's some weird noises. Hold on, there's literally spicy mayo on me. Ta-da, look at my sandwich, bitches. Bet you never had a sandwich like this. Hey, in case everyone wanted to know, most of the chicken of this sandwich fell out. So I'm just eating a lot of bread. More bread. Oh, I just put it on the ketchup. And there's a delicious placement. I am so cute. Ding. I don't know what you wanted me to do. Ew, that's disgusting. Because my fiance's not joined with us today, which is just so sad. And he's actually out doing other things. So I decided that we are going to share some stories about my fiance today, because today's the only day that I can properly talk shit about him without him being in the, in the room. It's
Steaming.
so I'm like hungry and nervous. Hey. Can you just... This was not part of my video. Also, somebody's eating my freaking hair! Okay, now we're just gonna... This is so messy. This is... No. And I'm just gonna grab the most ketchupy french fry. Okay. The second most ketchupy french fry. I don't like that much ketchup on my fry. Okay. No. You know, when I watched Tay and Lou's video, they had a lot more love for each other, and that's just just salt, bae. Okay. No.
Oh.
Sorry, I meant to bite the sandwich. You know that I hate the smell of ketchup. I like eating ketchup, but I hate. Just like love how petite my hands are. If you guys are in the market for like a very like nice hand model, I was gonna wipe your hands. That'd be fun. That'd be fresh. I am definitely the cutest model. It just like I have like the cutest little hand. No. More dry ass grilled cheese. I love it. This part's burnt. It's so hard. Oh, no! Yeah, that's good food placement. Goddamn Gordon Ramsay, what do? Plate food for a living? This is really good stuff, babe. I'm doing... The back of my head is ridiculous.
Yeah.
I just poured water all over. I deadass took my normal hands to drink water and it poured all over. Can I get my elbow?